Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we are going to talk about how to grow groundnuts, also known as peanuts. So conditions necessary for the growth of peanuts. First and foremost, groundnuts or peanuts grow best in the tropics in altitudes of over 1500 meters. They also need medium amounts of rainfall of about 550 millimeters. There are many varieties available in the market, with some of them including Red Orienta and Mani Pinta. Okay, Mani Pinta are the large ones, then the Red Orientas are the small ones. But the names can vary depending on the region where you are from. Now let's talk about how to plant groundnuts. So you need to plant them at the onset of the rainy season. Okay, so you'll plant them in rows, then you can space them around 25 centimeters apart. Those are groundnuts in one row. Then you can space two rows to be about 45 centimeters apart. Okay, then the groundnuts will germinate after about 2 weeks. Then from then on you weed regularly. Then after about a month from when the germination occurs, you'll do what is known as earthing, which is basically the process where you'll dig the soil around the groundnuts to make it loose, so that to allow for something known as pegging to occur. Okay, which basically includes groundnuts growing from the stem and entering into the soil. Alternatively, earthing can also be done by digging the soil and placing it gently around the groundnuts. That can also work. Then another important thing to know is that groundnuts are capable of making their own nitrogen because they are legumes, so you don't need to provide nitrogenous fertilizer. Okay, groundnuts are also less likely to be affected by diseases and pests as compared to most other plants. Your groundnuts will mature after about 100 days, which is 3 months. Okay, when they mature, dig them out, dry them off and store them. Okay, so that's all about groundnut farming.